taking a job with Sears, doing electronic TV and miscellaneous electronic repair for their customers. And raising a family. And there was a need for spare extra money in order to do the things that we wanted to do, or maybe I wanted to do. So I can't speak for everyone, but part-time work meant part-time extra money. So I started doing television repair um, as a side job in our local community where we lived in Cedar Grove, and that gave me the extra money that I sought, and it solved issues that we had, and it was not as much wanting to do more work. It was more of wanting to do more social things and more activities with the family that prompted my doing extra side work. I don't know if I would have done the extra work on my own besides the job at Sears if I had earned enough money to satisfy what those extra needs for the family were. I can't do it. I can't do it both ways, so I don't really know. He's interested in something technical and how it works and why it's doing this and why it's not. And that's kind of I don't know. I always have felt that I get that from my dad being an electrician, but I'm not sure if it's because of all the junk that was in the garage or if it is in the genes that I got from him. I think it was an inspiration to some of the younger guys that I now have contact with. I think it was an inspiration, but not really what I would say an influence so much.